Hey guys, how's it going today? Hope you're doing well today. Got a great video for you. Today we're going to talk about data sets, machine learning, and we're going to implement a little using Jupyter Notebooks. So hope you guys are ready for this video and sit back and try and go along as I speak. So yeah, let's talk a little about machine learning. I won't go too much into it, but I'll give you like a little base knowledge. So what is machine learning? It's learning and predicting from a machine. So we have a couple different categories. We have supervised, which is classification and regression. We have unsupervised, which is clustering and association rule learning. And then we have reinforced, which is skill acquisition and real time. Let's go into a little about data science and data sets and how it works and how you can put all of your work into it. And this is pretty much what data scientists do. So first we start off with importing data. Then after you clean the data, you split data into sets, create a model import, and then create that output. So yeah, today I actually have for you guys up Anaconda. So if you don't have this downloaded yet, you can go ahead and do so. So yeah, just go ahead and download for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Let's go ahead and check out what it has. So we'll check out the distribution. Alright, open source, user-friendly, and trusted. Let's check out the features. So in the features, it shows that there's Jupyter, which we will be using today. There's SciPy, Spider, NumPy, just a couple different things, TensorFlow that you might use. We also have Pandas, which we're actually going to use today. So what I've used, or what I'm more capable of using, is Jupyter, SciPy, NumPy, TensorFlow, and Pandas. But today we're going to be using Jupyter and Pandas. If you guys like this, I might come out with another video going more in depth. But today we're just going to be importing and cleaning data. So yeah, first out, you want to load up Jupyter. It's going to look a little something like this. This is just a couple of things that I have inside my desktop. And then you're going to want to go to Kaggle or just any place that you can grab a data set, because unless you have data sets on you, this is the best way. And you're going to want to look for CVS file or just one at that. So we have glass identification data set right here. Luckily, I already have one pre-installed, and that would be Women's Soccer 2022 for FIFA. So what you're going to want to do is add a new file. So we're going to do Python 3. It's going to load up. It's going to show the Jupyter Notebook. Here we have Untitled 3. Let's go ahead and set that to FIFA Soccer. Rename. All right, perfect. So yeah, you have a couple different things up here. I definitely get used to checking everything out, but right here is what we're main focusing on. So what we're going to do today is actually import Pandas. So what is Pandas? It's a Python library that's used for working with data sets. And how we're going to take care of that is by importing Pandas. And we're going to do that as a PD. Next, what we're going to want to do is a data, capitalized it, data frame. We're going to want it to be equaling PD read, and like I said before, we want that CSV file, and then we're going to put in quotations. Actually, let me check what I have it as. You're going to have it as different things set. I actually have it set as data CSV, so that's what you name your data set that you import, basically. So I'll go ahead and do data CSV. All right, now we got that imported, and let's go ahead and make it take shape. So dot shape. All right, we'll go ahead and run this. Wait a second. All right, looks like our output is 136.22. Generally, we don't exactly know what that means, so we're just going to have it describe that to us. So we're going to do data frame, and then we're just going to describe. So it's pretty easy, like it's basically what you would expect to run in a program. And look at that. So now we can actually read this. We can check out ID, year, players, age, possession, matches played, starts, minimum playing time, minutes played, goals, and then we can keep scrolling. We have penalty goals, kicks made, penalty attempts, yellow cards, so on. Down here we have the count, mean, STD, min, 25%, 50%, 75%, and max. So yeah, we can go ahead and take a look over at the age. Looks like we have 136. Oh, look at that, 136 players, 136. Makes sense. And you can just go ahead and check out some of the data that you have collected. But yeah, other than that, you can always check out different things. We'll go ahead. Oh, wasn't even typing. We'll go ahead and do data frame, and we'll do values. Let's run that. Look at that. It'll show the values. Looks like an array of Argentina, Australia, Brazil. That's the first three, and then it shows us the last three: Norway, Sweden, USA. All right, that is actually pretty interesting. Hopefully you guys followed along with me and contributed into this as importing a file, CSV, into Jupiter. And if you guys want to go through some more things like displaying data into sets and creating a model import, and then also checking the output, and hopefully after checking the output you can improve on it. If you guys want a video like that, go ahead and leave some comments down below and I'll try and get back to them. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll see you guys later.